Hey guys, I'm here to show you this quick video on this project that I wanted to do for my bathroom. So I found this really cute wooden tray, and then I'm going to use the home is wherever I'm with you. And then I'm just going to use some white chalk paint and the Magnolia rub-on transfers. So I really needed something just to elevate like my lotions and jewelry, just something really cute and clean. So I have somewhere to put that stuff. So here we go. I taped down my stencil. That works for me. I find that it's best because it just ensures that your stencil doesn't move. And don't forget guys, when you initially put paint on your stencil brush, just offload some on a paper towel or a paper plate. That just helps to ensure that you're getting the best coverage and no bleed over. So I'm just going through section by section here, doing my little swirling motion. And then I just use my finger just to make sure that like the middle portion of the stencil stays put. And nothing of the like little fine details like pop up or anything like that. It's just something that I like to do, a method that I use as I'm using these stencils. I just find that it works really well. And then as you go guys, just less paint is better, and if you need to get more, you can always do that. Look how great that looks, just super clean. I love how the white chalk paint looks on the wood surface. It's just really nice, especially for a bathroom. And I don't know about you guys, but my bathroom's white, so it just looks clean and it's gonna go really nice, especially with these white Magnolia rub-on transfers. Now, when these transfers come out, guys, you have to get them super quick because they do sell out. They're so popular, and that's because they're just very easy to use. They're versatile. I like that they give you the creative freedom that you can pick the design that's gonna work best with your piece. You know, just cut them out, and then what I like to do is pick my favorites. Then before I do anything, I pick my placement just to see how it's gonna fit with my project. And then as you can see here, I'm just being really meticulous with where I want the flowers to go. And then once I have the placement down, then I'll just start with one, peel the backing off, and then stick them. And what I like to do too, and I think it looks more authentic, it's okay for some of the transfer to go over your stencil. I just think it looks really nice. Like I said, it looks more authentic, kind of like you painted the design down. All right, and then if you see here, I am just using this little flat tool. It's super helpful. Just apply some pressure. And then when you're peeling the protective layer off, I just kind of, you know, continue adding the little bit of pressure as you go. Sometimes if you don't apply enough pressure when you're lifting up the backing, some of the design can come up too. So it's just kind of like a little safeguard that I like to do just to make sure that the complete design is being transferred onto your surface. Now this tray here had a little bit of curve that you can see here. So I'm just doing some extra, you know, smoothing, making sure there's no air bubbles and that I got everything. And that's why these are so popular, because the transfers, they just really elevate your project and they take it to the next level. You can see just how perfect and beautiful this is, especially, I'm super excited, especially for my bathroom. I think it's gonna look really nice, you know, for your perfume, your lotions, jewelry especially. Don't wanna lose that stuff. So I hope you guys like this video, and definitely wait for some new content that's gonna be coming out that we're super excited about. Thanks guys, see you later, bye.